Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit Shopify password page. So let's get started. So here we are in our Shopify store, and as you can see right here, we're going to be viewing our Shopify store from here. So we're going to go click here online store and click here on customize. And from here, we will be visiting on the password page of our store. So to do that, you want to click here on the home page, and then you would see all the pages that you have right here. And you want to search for the password one. So as you can see right here, if you can find that, then you can just search for it right here, password, and then you should be able to find it here, which is this one. So when you go here, you should be seeing your default password page right here. So this would depend on the theme that you'd have. So depending on the theme, you might have a different design right here, not exactly the same as mine. So yeah, it would depend on your theme. And if you'd like to edit it, you can just edit it right away from here in the Shopify editor page, which is right here. You can edit a bunch of it right here. You can change the text, change the image right here, and so on. But what we're going to be doing is that instead of doing it from here in the editor page of Shopify, we'll be installing an app that would let us make landing pages. So to do that, you want to go back in here into your homepage in Shopify. And from here, you want to go search right here, and then you're going to go for a landing page, and then you want to click here on search for landing page in Shopify App Store, because we would want to explore apps here in Shopify. And basically there is a lot of apps right here that would let you do that. So the most popular one is the Pagefly landing page builder, which we'll be using for this example or this tutorial. So if you don't want to use this, then you can also use other tools like gem pages and so on. It's just that in my opinion, this one is the best one for me. But if you think otherwise, then you can always choose other apps right here. You can just feel free to do that. And I'm just going to show you on how I can edit a page or password page here. So you want to install this app right here, or the app of your choice, and then you want to click on install, and then you want to open it right away once you have successfully installed it. So here in Pagefly, we would be able to make a password page easily right here with their templates and so on. So from here, as you can see, I have Pagefly right here, and from here you want to click on create your first page right here. And from this one, I'm going to click on passwords, since we would want to create a password page. And from here, we would be able to click here on the templates right here, page templates, and then from here you want to go for password, and you should be let's go for password page right here instead of this one. So I'm gonna press enter, and here we have it. We now have the password templates right here that is available on Pagefly. So if you don't like the templates right here, you can feel free to explore the other apps and see what templates they have, if that would look better for you. So in my case, I think I'm gonna stick with this one since the others are too basic. I want this because it is more stylish. So I'm gonna click on this one and click on select right here, and then from here I'm gonna go click on I understand what I'm doing, and you want to read this note right here, click confirm. And now here we have it right here. And from here we can just edit the text. So for example, here we are, let's say we are currently under construction, maybe something like that. And then from here you can just tell that maybe provide your email below so we can notify you when we go live, something like that. Then they would provide your email right here, and then once they do, you would be provided with their email right here, and then you have your timer right here. If you'd like to change that, you can also do that. You can change the photo with your logo right here. As you can see, you can click on a select, and then from here you can just go click on add from URL right here, or you can go to media files, and then you would be able to add a photo. You could replace this photo right here if you'd want, but in my case, I'll just let it be. So yeah, this is basically how easy it is to customize your password page here in Shopify. So if you just use an app, it will be so much easier compared to doing it right here, because you would have to do a lot of things on your own manually. So I recommend that you just get a template from the apps. Anyways, it's free. Most of them provide a free version, like they would give you one free page. So yeah, it would be easier to do it from here. And then the next thing is you can go here in the sections. You can add more sections if you'd want. You can go for another section with a template, and maybe you could add, let's say, this one right here. Maybe this. You can click on select, and then as you can see, you would have more sections right here. So that is another way that you can do this here in Pagefly, and you can do so much more right here depending on what you need. So it would vary depending on the style of your website, like whatsoever that you need. You can basically do it right here. Yeah, it would depend also on the templates that you would select right here on the templates of Pagefly. So yeah, that is basically everything. I just gave you the gist on how you can create your password page and how you can easily edit it according to your needs. So all that's left now is to press on save, and then we'll just name our page. So let's go for password page sample and click on save. And then after that, you would be able to save it. So I'm going to click on save right here. And it's all good. Now you can preview it if you'd like to preview what you have made with Pagefly, and then this is how it would look like. And yeah, this is how it would look like in your store. So when you go and publish it now, it would now be published onto your store right there. So publish. It says publishing page right here, so we have to wait. As you can see, it says now published. Now we can click here on view live, and this is how it would look like on our store. And as you can see, we still have this right here, so we would want to remove that so that we can only see this right here, because this is too much. That is redundant. So to remove that, you want to go back here into your editor page here in your Shopify store. Right here, we're just going to refresh this so that it will now be updated with the page we have created with Pagefly. So now we want to remove this section. So we're just going to click here on remove, and then there you go. We now only have this from Pagefly, and we're going to hit on save. So the only drawback right here is that you can't directly edit your page right here from the editor page of Shopify. You would have to go to the app. As you can see, when I click on the image, I wouldn't be able to edit it, or the text and so on. So yeah, that is basically it for this tutorial on how you can edit your Shopify password page. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.